Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix 1666 Amsterdam gamepad controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if gamepad is working or not. Next method is to update controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller, and after that, go to the search option, search for device manager, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, you have to restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input, and now check if controller is working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your controller will be added. So first of all, you have to remove it. Click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and once you have done this, now check if controller is working or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search for check for updates, click on check for updates option, wait for some time. Once you find any update option available, simply update your Windows to the latest version, and after that, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and then check if it's working. So here you will get an update option. Simply update your game and then check if it's working. Next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, you have to go to Steam, select your game under library section. In the above section, you can see enter big picture mode. You have to click on it. And after you enter big picture mode, you have to select your game, try to play it, and after that click on Steam option over here, then click on power, and then select exit big picture mode. After doing this, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working issue in 1666 Amsterdam game. So that's all in this video. Thank you.